Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2007 Yamaha Roadstar I want to show you. This Roadstar's got an air-cooled V-twin, almost 1700 cc's, 5-speed transmission. This one's in nice shape. It's a lot of bike. Dual front disc brakes, white wall tires, got some pretty good tread left on there. The front end looks good on it. It's a Silverado, got a big nice windshield. Looks like it's nice and clear. Silver and blue. Got a choke down here. Put you a battery tender lead on it. Rider floorboards, passenger floorboards. It's a soft tail bike, belt drive. Got a set of leather bags, permanent mount leather bags. Passenger backrest. Rear tires got a lot of tread left on it. Factory exhaust on this bike, so it runs pretty quiet. See a little nick right here on that blue paint? That's just water. It just came out of the detail shop. See a little tiny, no, that came off. That must have been some fuzz. Really in good condition. I see a little rock peck right here. Maybe a tiny little sign right there. A little scratch over here. Looks like a little spot right. I think that's coming off. It did. Steel braided cables. Pretty sweet. Check the mileage on it. The bike's got 8,626 miles. Pops right off. The motor sounds good and tight. Didn't see any kind of smoke or anything when I cranked it. Got the choke pulled out a little bit right now. It's not warmed up enough to push it in. Let me fire it back off. Now then. Runs really good. She's a looker too. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This one qualifies for some good financing and extended warranties too. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. So it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.